Hello and welcome to Brick Joy. I'm Stephanie. Today we're going on an adventure. Come, puppy, let's go. Yay! We have arrived. I want to try paddleboarding first. Let's go, puppy. I'm hungry after all that. Let's eat something. Oh, I should put these up and go bring the bike. I want to see the surroundings. Wait here, puppy. I'll be fast. Oh no, I forgot my helmet. Now I'm ready. Puppy, come here. Here we go. It was such a beautiful ride, but it's getting late, puppy, so we should go back home. Let me pack everything. We're ready. Let's go home. See you next time. Bye, friends. Let's see how we can turn all of these blocks into this. Today we are unboxing Lego set 41364. Its name is Lego Friends Stephanie's Buggy and Trailer. Let's start building the set. First off, let's get Stephanie ready. Oh, her lovely best friend is here too. Since this set is all about outdoor activities, let's start with a campfire area. We have another cute friend here. It's a little frog. And we have some lovely flowers too. And a place to practice pole tennis. Now, we need a vehicle to be able to go where we want to. So, let's start building the buggy. now it's time to build the trailer. Now we can put here everything that we need: the life vest, the pink helmet, some food for the puppy, the water bottle, and the tennis racket. We should finish the trailer so we can put the paddleboard and the bike on top. It is ready. We have everything needed. So let's put Stephanie and the puppy in the car so they can reach their destination. They are going to have so much fun. In the meantime, if you've liked our video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on everything Lego. See you next time. Goodbye.